Итак, друзья, всем привет! Меня зовут Константин, и вы на канале, где я делаю неторопливые обзоры техники, высказываю о них свое мнение и, в принципе, делюсь с вами той информацией, которую вы не увидите в рекламных роликах. И сегодня у нас в обзоре, как вы поняли по названию, будет сравнение камеры Sony ZV-E10. Я сейчас на нее снимаю, накидываю объектив. И топовый телефон прошлого года – это iPhone 12 Pro Max. Будем сравнивать эти камеры, какая из них лучше окажется в плане туристической поездки. В общем, будем тестировать, смотреть одинаковые фотографии. И также я делал тест как на основную камеру, так и на телекамеру в плане зума. То есть сравним, опять же, где лучше работает зум, где качественные получаются фотографии. В общем, наслаждайтесь просмотром.
Sleep, I pray the Lord that I wake again. I wake again. I pray the Lord that I lay me down to sleep. I pray the Lord that I wake again. I wake again. I pray the Lord that cause I've been working in the kitchen with the dirt on my hand. God tell me why nobody love me but you. Born inside the belly with the gun in my hand. Ain't no time for pity, got some thugging to do. Working in the kitchen with the dirt on my hand. God tell me why nobody love me but you. Born inside the belly with a gun in my hand. Ain't no time for pity, got some thugging to do. I've been working and writing and working some more. Searching for truth and truthfully I'm hurting to know why many of millions live where the murderers go. On a daily dealing with you never heard of before. See, I got motives of moving my mama plenty of miles. Send me the pay before you even send me the files. I don't kick it with cause they energy wild. You by association like the enemy's child. I'm wondering really where they gather to go. They hate to see you win and they be glad when you fall. That's why I came with shooters, never passing the ball. Who would toe tag them and everybody tagging along. See, it's a tragedy, really had to be silly to try. I could show you the way, but is you willing to fly? I'm breaking down the layers, I be peeling your pride till I get to the dead center where the feelings reside. Look in my eyes, you see it lacking the lust. I'm smacking the buster, cause honestly I ain't got the patience to try to deal. Everybody dreaming they making it out for real. So I don't give a how you take it or how you feel. There's a war outside the window and everybody a target. I'm worried about the ending cause look at the way we started. I gotta get it regardless cause be living heartless. Gardeners in the war and there's warriors in the garden. So give me a break, give me the space. I'm needing the peace. Give me a legion, I lead them with my feet in the streets. I know they hate it, they show them without being discreet. I see the future, I bet I'm never seeing defeat. Looking for answers but all they gave me was trauma. I'm trying to cover this drama with plenty packets of petrol. So I be kneeling and looking up to the ceiling. I'm praying to get some healing for everyone in the metro. Now I lay me down to sleep. I pray the Lord that I wake again. I wake again. I pray the Lord that now I lay me down to sleep. I pray the Lord that I wake again. I wake again. I pray the Lord that cause I've been working in the kitchen with the dirt on my hand. God tell me why nobody love me but you. Born inside the belly with the gun in my hand. Ain't no time for pity, got some thugging to do. Working in the kitchen with the dirt on my hand. God tell me why nobody love me but you. Born inside the belly with a gun in my hand. Ain't no time for pity, got some thugging to do. All my life I've been fighting with plenty of evil. Vices and vices killing plenty of people. Trying to drink the water cause the Henny is lethal. But of course the water got plenty of fecal matter, but that is another matter of course. All the information just a matter of source. Police never seem to know the adequate force. So we just lost another husband who ain't have a divorce. But see the sad sober truth is there's only another day. I bet your president wouldn't have it no other way. I just spoke to granny, I know that I gotta pray. Cause when you know the truth then you know what you gotta say. I'm living in paranoia, purgatory, I gotta move. I gotta get it so every motion a dollar move. And I ain't needing no company, that's a lot of moods. And I've been searching for silence, I need the solitude. I'm solid, solidarity barely made it here. Hard to find a real when these cowards be made of fear. That's why I bring the peace like a priest in his later years. And it's safe to say it's sensitive, you won't make it here. You shed a bucket of blood when you stuck in the mud. Every time I ask them why they let because took a lap around the city like get the love. I'm trying to make it what I wanted, so what it was. Covered in crumbs, I emerged from the crack in the ground. Put my problems in the paper, then pass them around. Loud enough to wake the neighbor, they mad at the sound. Trying to dial up the deputy, mad at my brown. My back at the wall, battling, straddling blurred lines of where the heat and the fanning began. Kinda funny what the people call a legend, the government call a weapon, but really he just a man in the end. He just a man in the end.
Now I lay me down to sleep. I pray the Lord that I wake again. I wake again. I pray the Lord that Now I lay me down to sleep. I pray the Lord that I wake again. I wake again. I pray the Lord that Cause I've been working in the kitchen with the dirt on my hands. God tell me why nobody love me but you. Born inside the belly with the gun in my hand. Ain't no time for pity, got some thugging to do. Working in the kitchen with the dirt on my hands. God tell me why nobody love me but you. Born inside the belly with the gun in my hand. Ain't no time for pity, got some thugging to do.
Aye, so indie. Aye, so heard you. Don't say nothing when I hit a curve. You sip my tea like it's herbal. Watch it come back full circle. Knew this life was eternal when I hopped over hurdles. I so universal. You see me with my had to listen, man. Listen, this thing right here wasn't given. I'm whipping this to precision. Before you talk, homie, listen. They love me for my ambition. Paper chase, palm itching. I brag different. The flow ignorant. Got them hooked. They kept fishing. You popped off but play victim. Look how the plot be twisting. You lost flavor when you kept on mixing. That boy stayed icy with something that left you colorblind. Mind your own, don't come for mine. That other stuff be borderline. I'm on a different time, yo. You better get your watch fixed before the clock tick. I'm the one that they acknowledge. I move on quicker than flight mileage. Y'all stay pressed, I'm quite polished. You peep me with my flight garments. They say the real can't tarnish. Daily eats with the garnish and some bomb weed that got my eyes starfish. Keep a list of goals to accomplish. Leave my past in a rear view. This bliss so loud I can't even hear you. So heard you. Don't say nothing when I hit a curve. You sip my tea like it's herbal. Watch it come back full circle. Knew this life was eternal when I hopped over hurdles. I so universal. You see me with my circle.
Yeah, you see me with my circle. Play the cut, we puffin' purple. First time I got tipsy off the white like I was Virgil. Yeah, I grew up with my cousins on Herzl. Used to have a curfew writing verses in my journal. Now it's ISO universal. My strapped like a girdle. Y'all moving slow like a turtle. Hear our songs and commercials. We don't need no rehearsals. Wifey instinct maternal. I know our kid gon' be verbal. They know our love is eternal. We'll keep on hopping these hurdles. Thank you, God, I'ma serve you. We don't even deserve you. Keep us from the internals. Grinding late, I'm nocturnal. Spitting fire infernal. You touch it and it's gon' burn you. Driving now, murder with my doing burnouts. They know that it's our turnout. Let's see how this gon' turn out. Our blessings been confirmed now. That other shit you hear about don't concern us. You see the sound, don't disturb us. These other is burgers, is ice, so we came to turn up.
Heard you. Don't say nothing when I hit a curve. You sip my tea like it's herbal. Watch it come back full circle. Knew this life was eternal when I hopped over hurdles. I so universal. You see me with my circle.
Ну и как вам такое сравнение? В общем, пишите в комментариях, какой вариант вам понравился больше, iPhone или Sony, и имеет ли смысл покупать Sony, когда вы снимаете, например, такого плана фотографии. В общем, жду вас в комментариях, давайте пообсуждаем. Ну и если вы не подписаны на мой канал, то жмите кнопочку подписаться, потому что впереди еще много тестов. И также хочу вам порекомендовать мое предыдущее видео, где я делал тесты фотографий на этот китовый объектив, поэтому вот тут будет всплывающее видео, можете переходить по нему и смотреть еще продолжение фотографий на Sony ZV-E10. Всем спасибо, всем пока.